Hello guys, let's learn some kitchen tips from my dad.
Okay.
Okay. I should get paid for this.
Maybe someday, Siddhant. Let's look at tip number 1 now. Dry roasting the spices before using them enhances their flavors. It activates the oils within them and makes them from a simple spice to a super spice. If you're not into composting the vegetable ends, never toss all of this away, because this makes a great flavor bomb. Vegetable stock. Watch out for my recipe. Soaking lentils helps reduce their cooking time, but never in salted water. Never soak them in salted water. To any yellow dal, adding a quarter of red lentils or masoor dal is a great way to bring body to it. Whenever you start cooking the dal, always skim the impurities that come on top. It'll save your pressure cooker. And as far as that salt goes, use it only when you're ready to cook the dal. If you want the shells to perfectly peel off a hard-boiled egg, add about a tablespoon of vinegar before you start boiling them, and always boil them for 8 minutes or more. Once boiled, take 2 bowls, one for the shell, one for the eggs, 1 glass. Put one of the hard-boiled eggs in the glass, give it a nice shake. And voila, the egg shell comes off clean. Nice. Taking skin off chicken can be a slippery mess. The key is to use a paper towel. And you can now use that skin to render some chicken fat. Never waste anything. Wash the prawns well and just twist that head off. Keep it aside. Hold the prawn by the tail, twist its body off, and discard the exterior shell. That's a poop shoot. It has got to go. Slide a knife along the back length of the prawn and just pull out this poop shoot. That has to go in a bin. But these prawn heads make an awesome stock. Look out for my recipe. Please do like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel.